Welcome to the Chris Review. Today I'm taking a look at this Olight iMini2 EDC rechargeable keychain flashlight. This thing's going to be about 2 inches in length. It's going to give off up to 50 lumens and last up to 60 minutes on the highest setting. So on the back side, there's going to be the user manual, a mini carabiner, and this protective silicone cover. And now finally, here's the EDC light itself. And this thing's gonna be really mini. And here you can see compared to my finger, yeah, this is very small, very lightweight. And then there actually is already one of those silicone covers right on top. And this is gonna be for USB Type A. This is gonna be how you charge it. And then there's also the hole here, which is gonna be for the key ring. So first things first, let me actually plug this in here to see how it charges. So this should be, yep, this is gonna be reversible. The contact points are on both sides, so I can just plug it right in. And there, it started up. So when charging, there is going to be an indicator right on top. So it's currently red, which means it's charging. And when it turns green, it's fully done charged. And this is actually going to be on both sides, so you can see it here. And if I flip it over, you can see the red light right there again. I'm twisting it clockwise, nothing happens. Counterclockwise, nothing. Pull it out though, and that's how the light is. Wow. You know, for 50 lumens, for being this small, it's not too bad. And that's actually pretty creative, actually, the way to turn it on is just by taking it off magnetically. And this also is going to have a magnet at the back, so I can attach this to different things. So it's going to be really handy putting it on a refrigerator or even on the hood of your car if you just want to check some things out real quick. And I guess the only way to turn this off would be to put it back in. So if you do ever lose this part, you're basically kind of done with this light. So make sure you don't lose this secondary part. And then when it's time to put it away, just cover it right up just to protect the leads. And then this can be attached to a keychain, maybe a necklace, and then you have an optional carabiner as well. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Olight iMini2 EDC rechargeable keychain flashlight.